1966, the Coleman family moved up north here, and that's the main homestead over there. And this is Ngāti Tautahi. And in those days, and in the 70s, it was a booming area. A lot of small dairy farms this side, and also on Ngāti Ueoneone side and out the Hokianga. We had a lot of small Māori families self-sufficient off the farm. We used to come up as a kids onto the Pā, and when we had visitors we used to come up and play around in there as well. It would be a half a day's activity, because you had to walk through all the gorse and the scrub and climb up the steep sidlings. Because I went to school with everybody on this side and that side, played rugby with them, and yeah, it was a great time as a kid. And when I come back in the 80s, I was walking down there, and I got involved with the younger generation. We had a good time at their places for kai and staying the night. And one thing I liked is that at that time, there were elders who were still alive, and I loved their stories, and I loved the simplicity of way they would solve their problems. And yeah, so that got in under my skin. So then I went away for a few years. Then when I come back on the home farm, I could see the destruction of the Pā through animals and through erosion. So I thought, oh, we've got to do something about this. I started learning a lot more, the stories with the elders. I thought, well, wouldn't it be neat if we can somehow have it so the hapūs could run it, look after it. Also, what helped push that for me was I had some mates that come up, and they are pretty well-to-do sort of guys, and they come up here and they said, Coleman, you should be sticking houses up here because of the view. And I said to myself, nah, that's not going to happen. You're not going to destroy a beautiful area like this. And the Pā here is a very important part to the people that live around here, because their ancestors lived here. So it made it real simple. Their ancestors lived here, let's give it to them.